राष्ट्रीय खेळा सर्तीच्या ओनूच्या आवृत्तीत सुरू जाल्ल्या बीच फुटबॉलाक कोलवा हांगा व्हड प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो। गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांमदी फुटबॉल खेळाक आवड आशिल्ल्यान गोंयान ओडिसाचेर 12-3 असो शेक गाजयलो। खेळाक मेळिल्लो प्रतिसाद पळोवन AIFF अध्यक्ष आणि GFA अध्यक्ष हांनी दर्यादेगेर खंयचीय वर्सुकी कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडपाचो संकेत दिला। पळयात।
Spent so much time in Goa as a player.
Yes, I have fond memories here in Kolba Beach. I have had several seasons having pre-season training here. I'm so happy to see that how Kolba has become a destination for beach soccer, and it's an excellent feeling when you see in a match Goa score 12 goals to 3 against Odisha, and Goa is a place for one known for a lot of football activities. And though beach soccer is a new to world football, the way FIFA is promoting, and I'm very happy to say that India will also take this opportunity to continue with the beach games. So I'm sure Goa will take a lead role on this, and this is a fantastic ambience. I would like to thank everyone for hosting this.
AIFF a few months back started with the National Beach Championship. So this is a start, and this is like the National Championship is carrying forward the same agenda forward.
It is indeed, beginning of this year, we had a National Beach Soccer Championship at Surat, and around 29 teams participated over. And it was a very good experience, though it was the first championship. Thereafter, since I am also in capacity of Indian Olympic Association, so we requested government of Goa to introduce beach soccer as a demonstrated game. So that's how, because Goa, the beach soccer cannot be anywhere other than Goa, and Goa is hosting national games. So I think I took this opportunity. I can see that this is the place, full house, lot of people, they're enjoying football, and I'm sure this is a very good sign, positive sign.
And it's another channel to promote sports tourism. Like
it is indeed, it's a sports tourism. Now people has multiple choices, and when Goa, any tourist comes for unwind themselves, and they cannot go without seeing football or participating in football. So what best can be other than beach soccer?
Thank you Goa. सगळे येले तुम्ही क्राउड इतलो कोण हॅपी जाले आमी, आणि थँक यू आमचो ऑनरेबल MLA कॅप्टन, तेजो फूल सपोर्ट मेळ्ळो आमकां हिंगा, बरें अरेंजमेंट केल्लो आसा, आनी एंड ऑफ द इवनिंग इट वॉज अ इम्पॉर्टंट वी वॉन इट. आणि हांव स्पेशल थँक म्हणटा आमचो कल्याण चौधरी, ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशन प्रेसिडेंट, तेंच्यांनी हो बीच फुटबॉल आमचे नॅशनल गेमींग इन्क्लूड करून घेतलो, and it is giving like another level to Indian football. So I thank them, I thank organizer, and special thank to our captains and local MLAs.
And any plans of GFA to introduce in all the coastal belts some championship for the village wise? Any plans? Have you thought of it and kept in mind?
As Mr. MLA has morning only we was here discussing it. He wanted to organize national beach soccer in Goa. So if government support us, MLA support is there. If government support us monetary, we can host it in January, February in Goa.
कोलवा हांगच्या बीच फुटबॉल संकल्पनेक आपूण तेको दितलो अशें थळावो आमदार वेंजी वियेगशान सांगले।
आज इट इज अ व्हेरी हॅपी मोमेंट की पहिली गेम आणि फर्स्ट टाइम 37 नॅशनल गेम्सान फर्स्ट टाइम बीच सॉकर इंट्रोड्यूस जाला, आणि ते फर्स्ट टाइम बीच सॉकर कोलवा नाव आमकां मेळ्ळां. सो मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन कोलवा बीच इज गॉन ऑन रिकॉर्ड दॅट द फर्स्ट बीच सॉकर जेन्ना 100 नॅशनल गेम जातल्यो तेन्ना पयली नॅशनल गेम हुंय जाली म्हणून जाल्यार कोलवा जाल्ली, आणि कोलवा म्हणून बाणाले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जाल्ली. तेन्ना प्रेसिडेंट GFA कायतान म्हणून आसलो म्हणून हे आमगे रिकॉर्डार उरलें, आणि इट इज अ ग्रेट मोमेंट. गोवा हॅज वन टुडे, आणि जे भाशेन तूं म्हणून विचारलां, येस वी विल डेफिनेटली टेक बीच सॉकर टू ग्रासरूट लेवल्स इन द villages. To start with, we will start immediately on completion of this. We will do an inter-village tournament along with the Kolwa Panchayat here in Kolwa itself to start that initiation. So we will never leave any stone unturned for any opportunity that is given to us in our constituency. Thanks to all the organizers, thanks to AIFF, thanks to GFA, thanks to the organizing committee for bringing things here. We सकाळ जायते जाल्ले आहा, but to keep it on the positive note, Goa has won and we are expecting a medal for Goa. We want Goa, so let go Goa, and we are with Goa.
GOA365 खातीर रमेश नायक रावत, सुभाशीश गोवेकार आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.